Here at the workshop, we're not all serious and gloom and doom and all that. We like to have fun. We like to josh around, as the kids say. Come on, let's go.
That's hard!
That's what she said. Tis the price we pay to bring kids joy. So, I'm sure you're wondering why I asked you in here today.
All the elves are saying someone's getting fired today.
Who told you that? Who said that? Was it that freaking Stardust person? Alright! Now I've heard there's rumors going around here that someone's getting fired.
So nobody's getting fired?
No, I didn't say that. I'm actually here to confirm it. Someone's getting fired by the end of the night. Good job, guys. What? Santa!
Santa! Santa!
Whoa!
Alright, so Cranberry asked to meet here for some reason. I don't know exactly why.
Do you want to form an alliance?
Absolutely.
Neither of us are getting fired.
Alright.
So, yeah. Productivity's down, so, I thought logically, of course, we have to fire someone, so I'm currently doing my part to get productivity up. Oh, hold on. Now that is a toy. But yeah, I'm kind of on the fence on who to fire. Just a little unemployment humor for you. But yeah, it's very serious. Someone's losing their job tonight.
So, I'm in an alliance with Cranberry now, and I don't know what that means, but he seemed pretty enthusiastic about it. And he made it seem like I'm pretty safe from being fired. So we'll just kind of see what happens of this. I mean, I think Cranberry is insane. So I don't think he knows what he's talking about. But I feel like this is gonna be beneficial for me. Yeah, I think I'm pretty safe.
Hey guys, I got a great new idea to boost productivity.
And what's that?
What? Are you finding someone?
No. See, we're going to only make toys for people who wrote me letters.
But what about orphans?
That's what the Salvation Army is for, baby. Woo! Did you break that?
Every year, Santa cuts it really close to the wire, but he usually makes it. This year, I'm not so sure. I don't understand the logic in firing one of the elves when we're literally a month behind on toy production, but I just hope it's not me.
Sprite, Jingle!
Hi, Santa.
How can I help you?
Do you realize Christmas is 1 week away?
Oh yes, it's the most wonderful time of the year.
Yeah, you haven't checked your list once.
Oh really? Oh shoot, that was a great idea. Get on that for me. LeBron James. You want a Sprite cranberry?
Hey.
Hey.
So, has Santa got you doing another one of his jobs?
Yeah, he's tasked me with checking his list, not once, twice.
He hasn't checked it
He
once.
hasn't checked it.
It's a week until Christmas.
I told him that, yeah. I told him. Well, what was up with Cranberry?
So, earlier today, Cranberry, he like wants to talk to me. So, he tells me something about an alliance. And obviously, I'm gonna, go along with it. But basically, we're supposed to kind of watch out for each other whenever, it looks like one of us is about to get fired. And, earlier, he completely bailed on me. So, but, I think this is, we could totally do a prank on him. Mess
yeah.
with him. Sure.
Yeah, for
And
sure.
maybe you and I should form an alliance.
Yeah, we should. I don't know what I'd do if you got fired. You're like a brother to me.
Yeah.
So, I'm sure you're all wondering why I asked you to come in here today. This is a very important meeting.
Hey! Shut up. Santa's talking.
Shut up, Cranberry. I'm sure you're wondering why half the room is empty. That is because I sent them home.
Question.
Yes.
How likely is it that we're gonna get fired?
Yes, you're most certainly in trouble for being fired. That's why I asked you in here today. If I send people home early, my productivity will rise. And therefore, I can figure out who I need to fire if productivity dips. I can point out the exact person. All of the geniuses use charts. What are you waiting for? Get back to work. We got deadlines, people. Gosh dang. What are you doing? Get to freaking work, Cranberry. Your job's on the line.
So, we're still in this alliance, right?
Yes, of course, of course.
I've got some bad news for you.
Yeah.
So, Jingle has access to the Naughty and the Nice list.
Seriously?
Yeah. Santa forgot to check it. And now he's making her do it.
What does that entail? What does that mean?
You're on the naughty list.
What? It's impossible.
I don't know what to tell you.
Preposterous. I'm the nicest little boy toy in the North Pole.
What are you gonna do?
This doesn't make sense. I'll be right back. I have been on the nice list for the past 328.7 years. This news is horrible to me. This is groundbreaking. I can't believe what has come across me with this revelation. I know what I must do.
So I think we can get Cranberry to quit.
It's the thirstiest
Santa?
time.
I prepared this lovely pillow for you. I heard that you're a big fan of napping.
What the frick is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Nap time's not in another hour! Get out!
They're testing toys. I'm checking toys.
Hey, Cranberry.
Idiots. Shut up.
What do you want, Cranberry?
Santa, please, don't fire me. I know I made a mistake. I didn't mean to be put on the naughty list. I'm so sorry. Please.
What are you talking
No,
about?
please.
Hey,
Please, I'll do anything. I'll do anything. I'll do anything. Please, I'll do anything. Please.
What are you talking
Please.
about?
No, I'm
you're
on.
not on
to
the...
see me?
What?
Yeah, Here's the thing. Give me your elf hat.
What?
Give me your elf hat. You're fired.
What?
Get out. You're fired. You're fired. Also, I'm not paying for transportation. You're gonna have to get to freaking wherever.
Thank you so
live.
much. Thank you so much.
Get out. Freaking get out of here. Congratulations. Frick. We saved Christmas.
No, Santa, we did not. We are actually significantly further back than when we started this.
This was not my best plan.
Yeah, nah.
Get back to work. I've always been a fan of the open door policy. That's why I don't keep a door or a door frame to my office. I believe that it provides open communication and helps boost morale in the workplace to go wherever you want, whenever you want. So, you know, I've always liked the handicap stalls the best.